Namaste. I am Deepa Rammohan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to demonstrate how to make eco-friendly Ganesha at home. One day over phone my mom-in-law told me, "Why don't you make a Ganesha idol at home?" I was bit hesitant to start with since it is a very delicate issue. Bit of encouragement made this complete cute Ganesha. I always believe where there is a will, there is a way. When I can do, then why don't you start with? Come, let's do together and have a handmade eco-friendly Ganesha Murti done by our own hands. So please be with me for this year's celebration. Join your hands to show some artistic skills in you. I went to my garden, saw there some soil. I thought of making clay from garden soil. Initially, I took some soil and soaked in water for a day. Then drained through a thin cloth and filtered twice to remove stones and sticks. After a day, I got soft soil like this. To this soil, I added cotton and mixed well. Henceforth, my clay was ready. Kept this clay for a day. Soon after my household work, I started my creative work. Adding cotton depends upon the nature of soil. Here with this soil, not so touchy, hence I added. Clay is easily available from potter or online shops. To be independent all the time, I collected clay from my locality. Look it up to you, depending upon the availability of soil in different places. Firstly, I took out clay and added few drops of water. Made it soft and moist. Next, I selected a asana or say chowki or a flat surface. The required materials are clay, brush, pencil, toothpick, old cloth, water and base. I am splitting the dough into parts of the body. 3 round shapes as balls for stomach, chest and head. Also made 4 elongated pieces for limbs. And 4 small balls for the tusk, crown and ears. The size of these balls depends on how big we want your idol to be. I am making a smaller one for my home purpose. Apart from these balls, I have extra clay with me. Take some amount of clay and flatten it with a rolling pin to make a base. On this flattened base, I am keeping the second big clay ball to make the stomach. Make sure it comes out in round shape to look like a tummy. Give some support using a toothpick. Add extra dough from backside to give support. Giving a proper shape with a wet finger. For reference, keep a idol or photo in front of you just to recheck the shape. Next, I am taking the 2 elongated rolls and placing them to form legs and remaining 2 to form arms which can be used later. Giving a proper shape with wet finger. Now I am taking another clay ball to make chest portion and placing over the stomach. Give some support using a toothpick. Try to give a shape with wet finger. Remove excess wetness using a cotton cloth. Now I am linking the head with the trunk portion. Take two balls and give a shape of hands. Attach to chest and give support by adding extra dough. One hand to be in Ashirwad position and another one like holding a laddu prasad. Using a wet finger, try to give a shape. Allow it to dry. Now coming to head, I am adding small ball turned into a cone shape in front to make the trunk. The trunk should be made pointed. To keep it in a place firmly, use a toothpick. Smoothen it out so that it looks like a head of an elephant. With another remaining small balls, I am making ears. To make it more natural, I am using toothpick to make markings on the ears. Just give a slit and attach ears. Give extra support from backside. Make a crown from the remaining ball and fix it on the head with a toothpick. Pierce with a toothpick for eyes and navel. Lastly, to make Lord Ganesha idol more attractive, we can add beads and mala for decor. For extra decor, I am using a toothpick to make markings or design for dhoti, toes and fingers. Don't forget to add your creativity masala for Ganesh ji making. Eco-friendly Ganesha is ready.
Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.